Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the mill. My name's Eric. We appreciate you tuning in today. We're going to take a little road trip. We're going to run up to Henderson County, the county adjoining where we live, to pick up some metal from Ty at Tier Fabrication. I called him maybe 3 or 4 days ago, placed an order for some 2x2 square tubing and some 18 gauge flat stock 5x10 sheets we're going to build our kiln doors out of. So let's head up the road. I hope you enjoy the time lapse of riding through our beautiful county and into Henderson County. And we'll see you when we get there. Thank you. Okay, guys, we drove up to Hendersonville, North Carolina to meet Ty at Tier Fabrication. He was kind enough to order all the metal for our kiln door build. Let's go in here and pick it up and head on down the road.
again. Probably need to make a lot more. I think that's good to burn on in.
What's the hooks for? Just gonna have somewhere to hook it on the fireplace? Or?
I think those are the handles. This is the front side.
It just walks up to it.
Yeah, so I think those are for putting it up in there.
Custom made fireplace screen at Top Tier Fabrication.
This guy's sitting much closer.
I'm building some kiln doors. They'll be 10 by 10, 4 inches thick.
10 by 10, you said?
Yeah.
What do you insulate?
Rigid spray foam. Yeah. That closed cell.
Basically, you'll do a half of it out of spray. I want them to be slightly blemished. So I was like, if they're interior or something.
Oh, yeah, don't worry about it. Okay.
They'll get worse than that once I'm working.
Yeah. That's called transportation. As long as it ain't folded in half.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is put two of them together and weld the seam. When I build my frame, I'll lay it down on top of it.
Make sure you clamp it.
Yeah.
You weld it.
Then flip it back over and weld it off. Oh yeah, it'll move. But
Clamp it, let it cool clamp.
I'm gonna get one side welded and mounted, and I have the spray foam it. And then the back side I weld it together, probably just like liquid nails and off of it. Because I can't weld it after I get full spray foam.
Yeah.
But I need about a 30 or 40, and that'll give me about a 30 something on the R value.
Yeah, that'd be good.
You ready to let it beat?
Yeah, I had to turn my voltage up a little bit.
Always.
Not quite happy, or wasn't quite happy with it.
No. Well, I wire welded some the other day. It takes a minute or two to get it dialed in with.
Yes.
There you go. It's better than mine. It ought to. You're getting paid.
Yes, sir.
I died over here walking on stuff. Okay guys, we got our stuff loaded up here. I want to introduce you to Ty at Top Tier Fabrication here in Hendersonville, North Carolina.
Hey everybody. So Top Tier Fabrication is a custom one-off fabrication shop. We do anything from, we build roll cages and chassis for race cars. We modify rock buggies. We do everything from repairing lawnmowers to selling steel. As long as it's metal, we do it.
Awesome. Thanks guys. If you would, take the opportunity to check out Ty's information. All his contact info will be at the bottom of this video. We're gonna head down the mountain. Thanks. You know we're in the right place when they take an old Chrysler wagon. They make a four-wheel drive buggy out of it. Love it. I love it. What we got special in this thing, Ty?
You know, it's 12 valve Cummins.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. I was expecting a 440, but I'll take a 5.9 Cummins any day.
Hey.
How close is it to being roadworthy?
Intercoolers.
Intercoolers.
That's it.
stock or hopped up a little bit?
It's hopped up. It's got a fuel plate, bigger injectors.
I love it. I love it.
It's a freight train.
Guys,
It'll be awesome to see on the road.
I told you, if you want something wild, come see Ty. Okay guys, thank you for staying tuned this far. If y'all hadn't checked out Vader's video, you ought to watch it. He's got a reel on Facebook. He's hilarious. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. We're back from Top Tier Fabrication. We went and picked up our metal to build our kiln doors with. I tried to have these built by a company. We won't mention no names. The price they come back with was just absolutely ridiculous. I purchased the metal and the hardware and including spray foam it for probably about 15% of a quote they give me. You know, it's just too much. Matthew and I are going to build them for that kind of money. We'll just build them ourselves and be proud of it. But we want to thank you for watching our channel. Great to have you tuning in. If you would, please take the opportunity to like, subscribe, and share. And we love the comments. I've had a mountain of positive comments, and guys, I want to tell you thank you for it. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you back at the mill.